This na Pidgin Newsman about and reporting. BH boys will be Boko Haram terrorists don't attack Kukawa community for inside Kukawa local government area for Borno State. Come by plenty people will return to the community last week. One of the buildings where they for the palace of Oni of Ife will be Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi don't catch fire, and the administration officer of Osun State Fire Service will be Fatai Aremu don't confirm the gbege and in yarn say he meant the door on ground to quench the fire. The Nigerian military don't yarn say they don't poof 20 members of Islamic State for inside West Africa province and they kill them from the air attack. The coordinator defense media operation will be Johnny Nature yarn on Wednesday say they do the attack under the subsidiary operation Hailstorm. Some Nigerian youths who don't go protest they provoke the Parayan for Oyo State Ikoloba Command Headquarters wait there for Elele area for Ibadan. Say because the criminal will be Sunday shooting where they buy people anyhow don't escape for police people hand, and the commissioner of Ikoloba will be Nwachukwu Inwon will follow them talk. The Inspector General of Ikoloba Police will be Mohammed Adamu don send plenty Ikoloba investigative aid go Oyo State go catch the criminal will be Sunday shooting where they buy people anyhow for Akiele local government area or Moniya Ibadan Oyo State as he run command for Ikoloba Police their hand. The Nigerian trader where they sell for Ghana on Wednesday don't go the Foreign Affairs Ministry for inside Abuja go protest for the locking down of their shop for Ghana. The leader of the group, Wibinze Ugo Onwoka, Yan say the traders will not get patience again. Say because they don't wait for 7 years for Nigerian government to address this issue, but they not do anything till now. The Mali president will be Boubacar Keita don yarn on Wednesday say why he resign to avoid bloodshed, and after when they catch him by military coup, the military leader don't pledge say they could do new election to solve the political problem where they happen for inside Mali. They don't kill one small 6-year-old girl wey be Sima as a rapper come beat her, come use to hit all her body before they come drop her for inside one sack for Pakistan. And this thing don't cause ogbonge gbege for inside Pakistan. One 29-year-old Romanian singer will be Tabi Pustiu don't poof by after we train hit him car, and it happened when him with his wife they listen to loud music for inside her car for railway crossing for inside the city of Ploiești. United Nations on Wednesday don't order Malians mutineers to say may they immediately release all the officials away they catch and the president and may they go back to their barracks without delay. Malian army officer will be Colonel Assimi Koita don't announce himself on Wednesday saying I be the coup leader will overthrow the president Ibrahim Boubacar Keita. For inside one video wey don top social media wey everybody don dey yarn about, the Big Brother Naija lockdown housemate Kidwire dey use Eric and Bobby dey play keyboard. Barcelona new coach wey be Ronald Koeman wan sign new 3 players: Donny van der Beek wey dey play for Ajax, Memphis Depay wey dey play for Lyon, Michael Keane wey dey play for Everton. This na Pidgin News Network with the yarn Pidgin English, and na me MC Nehi the man about her na in the yarn, so make una get conscious day.